death of the most powerful general from Samsung, dean and founder of the phablet family, was almost certain to be dead. Note 21, according to the latest news from the Reuters international news agency. That confirmed this news. And from 3 high-strength sources close to Samsung. Reuters, my friend, is a global institution that is one of the most powerful and speaks the truth. Consequently, we would stop a minute of silence, mourning the soul of the deceased note. But Samsung is playing with confidence in the minefield, its method and its tongue. Leave the notes and come to the fold. Hello, I'm Steve from Tech Channel, and welcome to today's video about the latest Samsung weapons in 2021. The Galaxy Fold Lite. Why did Samsung choose the name Lite? Which means in the world of electronics the light version. Whether it is by the specifications or definitely by the price. And the leaked price will shock you. Just wait a while, we go back to the mitigating specifications. What? And where did Samsung relax these specifications? Is the device worth the requested price? Hear ye and judge. The device is expected to be announced with the S21 series early next January. But with a separate ceremony for the S21 devices. The first point that I took 5 of the specifications of the device is the processor, which according to the leakers will be either a Qualcomm processor, which is the Snapdragon 865, or 855 Plus. The second possibility is that it is with the latest Exynos 1080 processor from Samsung for the middle class. And this, of course, its performance outperforms the 865 by a distance. I myself am inclined to 1080. Because this processor is for Samsung to control more and lower prices. The second point is the internal voltage screen, and most importantly, this will be foldable, but it will be in a size of 7 by 10 inches. But it will be made of clear poly or CPI. Instead of ultra-thin glass. This means that the Fold Lite screen will be weaker in terms of resisting scratches and shocks, because it will be made of plastic, not glass. Also, the screen will not be supportive of the stylus. And the external screen will also be 4 inches. Only, but with HD plus resolution and O-bunch hole. Same as the one in Note 20. Also, another aspect that will be cut is the hardware except the processor. Because the RAM will be LPDDR4X, not 5, and the memory is 3.0, not 3.1. Fast charging does not exceed the highest estimates of 25 watts. And without wireless or reverse charging. Bluetooth 5.0, not 5.2. Thus small notes, even the 3 cameras behind the back of the device will be all 12 megapixel, like the S10 Plus and the same generation with an update of the device's camera application movements. All this and many others in Samsung so that it makes it from the Fold Lite specifications and price. The price here surprises you because there are expectations for the price of the Fold Lite. The first prediction will be its price from $899 United States dollars for a 6-memory 128 GB version. As for the 256 GB memory version, it is priced at $999 USD. As for the second side, I am from this side. I expect a starting logo at $1,099 for the 128 GB version 6. $1,199 for the 8,256 GB version. What do you think, my friends, with a lightweight? Is it really light? Pricing and specifications.